Check it out, guys. So this article's coming out of Popular Science magazine, or Popular Science. The Army demonstrates a weapon that shoots laser-guided lightning bolts. So, first of all, this confirms, and this is as of June 28th, 2012. And this is their test that they did. Get out of here, you stupid ad. This is their test. That's what a laser-guided lightning bolt looks like. And it's interesting because this confirms my theory of the lightsaber, my theoretical lightsaber design. It works based off of this principle where an infrared laser would be used to channel high voltage, high current electric pulses that, if timed in the right way, you could produce a solid beam of energy at a limited distance. And this just confirms that, it confirms my theory that the laser would be the guide for the high voltage plasma, for the high voltage. And it would actually ionize the air. And that's exactly what they say here. Research and Development Facility, Improving Ground of the U.S. Army's weaponry engineers are developing a device that shoots lightning bolts along a laser beam to annihilate its targets. That's right, lightning bolts shoot down laser beams. This story could easily end right here and still be the coolest thing we've written today, but for the scientifically curious, we'll continue. The laser-induced plasma channel can be used to destroy anything that conducts electricity better than the air or ground surrounding it. Unexploded ordnance seems a good candidate here. Ha ha ha, that's how, yeah. It using a laser to carve an electromagnetic path through the air that accommodates a high voltage beam. Create that path, crank up the voltage, and your target is toast. It works like this: a high intensity, super short duration, maybe 2 trillionths of a second, laser pulse will actually use air like lens. Surrounding air focuses the beam, keeping the laser pulse nice and tight rather than scattering it. If the pulse is strong enough, it actually creates an electromagnetic field around itself that's so powerful it strips electrons from air molecules, essentially creating a channel of plasma through the air. Since air is composed of neutral particles that act as insulators, and the plasma channel is a good conductor relative to the unionized air around it, the path of the laser beam becomes a kind of filament. In other words, just as lightning arcs from cloud to ground via the path of least resistance, a high voltage current will find its way down this filament rather than arcing unpredictably through the air. In other words, the laser just creates the path of least resistance between the power source and the target. Laser, lightning, destruction of target, in that order. The type of directed energy weapons and the magnitude of such things is unimaginable. Look at this. That's crazy. Anyways, peace.